Welcome to our channel DevRoute. Today in the series of HTML for beginners, we are going to discuss about how to show images in our browser. To show images in our website, we have to use a tag called img tag. Note that img tag does not require any closing tag, but we require to specify the location and name of the image we want to use. For that, we have to use an attribute called src. Note that I have an image called html.png in the same folder where my image.html is. In that case, I just need to write the name of image I want to show, html.png. Now you can see my browser shows the image I want to display over here. But what if my image does not exist in the same folder? For that, let's create a folder called image and place our html.png in the folder. Note that now our image does not show over here in our browser, but the image icon is shown over here with no information. If our client will if our client will look in